Hey, this bonus video is going to be a quickie. There's one important new preference that's been added to Photoshop that I've got to draw your attention to. Let's go take a peek. It has to do with selections, of course. So under the select menu, as an example, if I say select my subject, I'm going to let the artificial intelligence do its best. Now let's zoom in, Command plus. Then I'm going to hold the space bar. It gives me the hand tool so that I can click and drag to take a better look. Artificial intelligence, yeah, a little too artificial. Not bad on the top. Oh, but look at this mess here in between. This is total chaos. Didn't even get this arm of this giant cactus. Oh well, nice try. No cigar. Command minus, Control minus on the PC. I don't think that's a very good job. Let me just fill this with solid black so we can see what it actually selected. Not very good. Undo. Command D. I'm just going to deselect. Here's the long cut. Deselect. Once again, without telling you all the shortcuts, which I've already listed, let me just show you. Select the subject. I put my hands in the air and I go, you didn't cut it. Sorry. Let's go to the new pref. Under the Photoshop Preferences, Mac users are going to find it right here because I'm currently a Mac user. PC users, you're going to find the preferences under Edit, under your Edit menu in Windows. Either way, get to Preferences, and I could start at General and then work my way down once I get to General, but here's where we're heading. An item called Image Processing. I can go straight to it here, or, and I'll go slowly, I could also get to it if I go to General and then find it elsewhere later on. Image processing. Photoshop on its own, when you say use your artificial intelligence to help me select a subject, is only so-so. It's using your device and your device alone, your computer and your computer's brain alone. It's quick. But as you can see, it's not very satisfying. This is a new preference-ish. In the 2023 version of Photoshop, at least, here we go. Select Subject Processing. I'm going to press and hold. Hey, could you combine the power of multiple computers and Apple's servers and give me better results? Detailed results? Now, I'm going to say okay and try it again and we'll compare. But before I do, you might want to read these little infomercials right next door. It just lets you know, hey, what's the difference here? Selection, faster or more stable? Stable sounds great to me. Yeah, but if you're experiencing instability, that's when they say you might swap to more stable because it also slows your results. And you need to restart Photoshop to see these or that change. All right. So I'm just going to try use the cloud, please. I need an internet connection. You probably have one. Don't just use my computer in my Photoshop, but let's go use some combined power and do it faster, so long as it works and I don't have to go to more stable, which is slower. Whew. Hey, Rick, can you net this out for me? Yeah, here's what I'm going to tell you. Go to Photoshop, go to Preferences, go to Image Processing, change Device to Cloud. Say OK. Sneak right back up. Select my subject. We just did this a minute ago with lackluster results. Seems to be going a little slower. Hey, I got a dialog box this time saying, by the way, what? Isn't that an important preference? So here's your homework, week 1. If you want to go play, play. If you want to send me files, send me files. But this is the only piece of homework I'm going to give you. Go set that preference. Go set that preference. And then from here on out, you and I will have more satisfying, automatic, artificial intelligently selected masks.